Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another try on haul video. So as you guys can see, I have a whole box of stuff from Shein, another goodie bag from Shein that of clothes that I want to try and everything like that. So let's dive right into it. I got a couple tops and I don't even remember half the stuff that I have in here, but when I rummage through it, it's gonna be a good lengthy try on haul. So let's get started. So guys, I'm gonna start trying on some of these items and I will be back. Hey guys, so this is top number 1. So I actually threw on some black jeans with this just to, you know, have the tops to something to go with. Right, so this is top number 1. It's off the shoulder. Right, it's this nice lacy, flowy, kind of like peplum vibes in the top. I think it's really cute. I love the way that it looks. It's very fashionable, forward, just something if you want to go for a night out. You don't want to dress up too much, but you want to have that nice, you know, cute flowy top that you want to wear. This is a good idea. This is a good choice. I'm gonna drop the link in the description exactly of what this what, you know, where you can get this top on Shein. Alright, so hopefully you guys like it. Yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna try on top number 2. Alright guys, this is top number 2. So this is like a little velvet top that has like that nice tight little turtleneck to it. It is also like has that little peplum feel, which I really like about it. Yes, this is the back of it. Right, and then this is the front. I love how it looks. Like I said, it looks really good with the black jeans. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Yep, so it looks really good with the black jeans, right? And it has that nice little velvet kind of like, I like this material for some reason. I know a lot of people don't like velvet, but I like it. I like it. All right, so let's get on to the next one. All right, guys, here's top number 3. So this top has like that nice little opening going on here, has that tie-dye feel to it. It's something different, something out of the ordinary. And so I like this. Like, it has the turtleneck, but I like the fact that it's open, so it's still cute and stylish, and you know, really cute to wear and rock, and you know, still feel comfortable and warm in it. You know, so you could wear a cute pair of jeans with it. You could be navy. Even this black looks nice right now. Or you could even wear like a nice little leather pants, you know, something that's gonna bring out this top. And you can put on a cute pair of beige boots. I'm already thinking about how I'm gonna put this together. But yeah, guys, this is the top. This is a close up. It's a close up of it. All right. All right, so let's get on to top number 4. All right, guys, so this is top number 4. I can't keep up anymore. This is the next top. All right, so this top is actually see-through, so I actually put like a tank top underneath it real quick, real fast, because you guys would have seen everything. But yeah, it's like a beautiful royal purple top. And look at the shimmer on this thing. This is beautiful. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Oh. All right, so this is top number 4. Right, so top number 4, guys. Right, so is it 4? I can't keep up. Oh, is it 5? 1, 2. I think this is 4. All right, so let's get on to the next one. All right, guys, so this is top number 5. So I love the color blockness of this top, like the one color at the top and then the other color at the bottom. I think this is so nice. Look at the sleeve and how this sleeve comes out like this. I actually want another color in this. This is nice. I didn't know that this was gonna be like this. I guess I didn't analyze it. I fell in love with it from this part, but I didn't know the arms was gonna be like this. This is really pretty. And this is nice. Ooh. Ooh. All right, guys, so this is top number 5. Let me show you guys the back. All right, let's get on to, top number 6. I'll be back. All right, guys, so this is top number 6. So this top is more like a nice little peplum that has like angles to it, and it is also green, and it's like that nice emerald green color with that's like, you know, and it's a peplum and it has these lines in it, and it's also velvet. This has that nice little velvet feel to it. I like this top. I like how it looks. I like how it flows. Like I said, you can dress, you know, just a top alone will dress up your whole outfit. So you see, I'm just throwing a black jeans and I threw this on top, and look how nice it looks. You can even throw on a cute pair of leggings with some heels, and look, and this top alone will dress up your outfit. It will dress it up. It will dress it up. It will make it look really, really nice. All right. All right, guys. So this is top number 6. All right, let's get on to top number 7. Guys, so this is top number 7. So it is this leather sleeve, right, with this nice soft cotton body about it. Oh my God, this is really nice. And you guys can recognize my style, things that I like, and you know, I'm a big fan of like good sleeves too. Right, so this is what it looks like from behind. Right, and this is what it looks like from the front. This is a close-up. This is a close-up of what it looks like. Right. Like I said, you can wear this with a nice, even if you have a brown, like a brown leather pants, you can wear this with a nice brown leather pants with a belt. Oh my God, wow, with a gold belt and some gold accessories, that would kill it. All right, this is top number 7. I lost count already. Yeah, 7. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, so this is top number 8. It is this cute off the shoulder kind of vibe, kind of top that has this like circles on them that's like different, out of the ordinary. Like, you know, you guys see that, like a good sleeve too. I don't know, sleeves just gives something to an outfit, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I mean, I love the way that this looks. I love the fact that it is off the shoulder. Oh my goodness, this is really pretty. Just a close-up of the sleeve itself so you guys can see. Look how nice that is. That is beautiful. That's a beautiful sleeve, right? And they step back so you guys can see how this looks. And like I said, I just have on some regular black jeans that I thought that would go with everything. So you guys can see. All right, so this is what this top look like, and this is top number 8, guys. Number 8. I think I have 2 more tops and 3 full outfits, so we still got some way to go. All right, so let's go to top number 9. All right, so this is top number 9, guys. So it is this nice little I don't even know how to describe this, but it is this chestnut. Yeah, that's the color. Chestnut with like this, I think it's black or dark blue spots or something like that. And it's so cute, formal. It is very like office-like. I see myself wearing this to my job, you know what I'm saying? So it has that nice, and I even like a nice night out with the girls, you can just throw something like this on and still have that nice little fancy classy look with a cute pair of jeans. You tuck it in, you know, you make it look, you know, you make it look like you know what I'm saying? You can put on you can even throw on a nice high-waisted skirt. Imagine doing this with a high-waisted skirt, right, with a cute belt. Oh, that's it. Some cute pumps, that's what you do. That's what you do. Right, so this is, right, this is top number 9. Top number 9. All right, so now we're gonna go to top 10, top number 10. So this is top number 10. It is another velvet top. Guys, don't laugh at me and my velvet tops, okay? I love the velvet tops. I love how they fit. I love how they look. You know, this is the pattern of it. It's like a plaid pattern, but just something about it being velvet kind of emphasizes the look of it overall. So like I said, this is it with the black jeans, right? This is a close-up of it so you guys can see how it looks. And you know, I didn't mention this before, but guys, I'm sure you guys have seen that I put the picture of how it looks on Shein and how it looks on me, so that way you guys see how it looks overall and you see how it comes, you see the material, and you know, you make your judgment from there. All right guys, so this is so this is top number 10. So I have 3 outfits that I'm gonna try next. So let's get to that. Okay guys, so this is outfit number 1. As you guys can see, it is a 2-piece set. It's a skirt and it has like love going across the band of the skirt. Oh my goodness, I love the way this looks. It is absolutely comfortable. It's different. Like I said, you know, just a close-up on how, you know, the band is, and it's literally like love going across it. So you can do 2, what you call it? So the 2 connecting actually gives that nice little, you know, a nice vibe to it. I love it. I love it. I don't know about you guys, but I love the way that this looks. I love how comfortable it feels. It's like a nice soft material. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. So. All right, so let me get on to outfit number 2. Okay guys, so this is outfit number 2. It is this pants leggings set with the cute top to go with it. The top has these 2 frills and 1 in the back. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this. This is how it looks, and you get a little belly in it, which is fine, which is, you know, it's a part of the look, right? So this is how it looks. I love the way this feels. This feels super comfortable, guys. Super comfortable. Very relaxed, very carefree. I love how it looks. I love the vibe. I love the relaxation of it. But yet it still looks nice. You know what I mean? It still looks nice. So. I love this vibe in it. All right, and the leggings is like a long legging, you know? So yeah. All right, so let's go to last and final outfit, number 3, and of this try on haul. Okay guys, so this is the last and final outfit, number 4. It is a cold shoulder pants set. Look at that, guys. It's a cold shoulder pants set, right? So the bottom is actually flared and nice. Oh my goodness, I love the way that this looks. It has a nice vibe to it. Oh my goodness. So this is how it looks, guys. So this is the cold shoulder pant set. I love the way that this looks. I love how it fits. I love how it feels. I mean, this is really, really cute. Like, this is really, really cute, guys. Oh my goodness, look at this. Right? You can accessorize it in your own way. Right, I love the way that it looks, and if it's a little bit closer, you guys can see how the pants fit. You may get a little bit of belly, which is fine, but yeah. All right, guys, so this is the last outfit for this try on haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that way you guys know anytime I post another video. Our next try on haul is going to be a month from now on the 10th. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. And of course, please drop in the comments which outfit you like out of the 13 of them. 10 tops, 3 outfits. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.